બાળકો, ઓપન ધી ટેક્સ્ટ બુક, પેજ નંબર 7. એક્ટિવિટી 6A. રીડ ધી ડાયલોગ.
Activity 6. Listen to the following dialogues. From Kiddy to Road via Lakshmi. Faizan is a wildlife photographer. He is from Tamil Nadu. Last week, he went to Gir forest. There, he lost his way. He asked Lakshmi, a girl from Gir, to help him. Lakshmi is in Standard 7. She was not able to speak English properly. On the other side, Faizan was not able to understand Gujarati. Was Lakshmi able to help him? Let's see. Faizan says, "Hey, excuse me." Lakshmi says, "Accuse? What? Accuse?" Faizan says, "I lost my way. I want to go out from this jungle." Lakshmi says, "Go out? Why come in jungle?" Faizan says, "I do not know the road." Lakshmi says, "Road not in the jungle. Kedi, walk on the kedi." Faizan says, "Okay, I will walk on the kedi." But which? What's your name? Lakshmi says, "Lakshmi, my name." Faizan says, Lakshmi, on which kedi? Here are 3 ways. Lakshmi says, "Go from there. By that Bhutyo word." Faizan says, taking notes, "Okay. That Bhutyo banyan tree and then?" Lakshmi says, "After crossing Wankalo, you see a Ruplo Dungar." Faizan says, checking dictionary, Wankalo means, what is Wankalo? Lakshmi says, water, water running. Then you see a Dungar, hill. Faizan says, yeah, what next? Lakshmi says, climb up that hill. There Katar Manu Thapan. Faizan says, Thapan? Lakshmi says, yes, yes, Thapan, temple. Climb down from there, go to Ugamane. Faizan says, Ugamane. Lakshmi says, Ugamne, sun comes in the sky. Sun, sun. Faizan says, you mean to the east. Lakshmi says, yes, east. Lakshmi says, there see Dodhyu Talav. Ask for I ma, no nes. Faizan says, Talav means pond. What is this I ma no nes? Lakshmi says, we live in Kuba. Many kubus there. So it is nes. Faizan says, you live in the jungle. Aren't you afraid of the lions? Lakshmi says, Savaj, Savaj our Devta. We love Savaj and Savaj loves us. We live together. Sometimes we fighting, but it is okay. Faizan says, can you take me to your home? Lakshmi says, ha ha, cham nahi. Halyane? Oh, welcome. Let's go. My ma bapa will be happy. Faizan went to her home. He talked with the people of Nes. Next day, Lakshmi's father helped him to catch a bus for Junagadh. Faizan thanked him and started his return journey.
ફ્રેન્ડ્સ, એક્ટિવિટી 6A ના ડાયલોગ વાંચ્યા બાદ લેટ્સ વોચ ધી ડ્રામા.
Activity 6. from KD to road via Lakshmi. Faizan is a wildlife photographer. He is from Tamil Nadu. Last week he went to Gir forest. There he lost his way. He asked Lakshmi, a girl from Gir, to help him. Lakshmi is in Standard 7. She was not able to speak English properly. On the other side, Faizan was not able to understand Gujarati. Was Lakshmi able to help him? Let's see.
Hey, excuse me.
Excuse? What? Excuse?
I lost my way. I want to go out from this jungle.
Go out. Why come in jungle?
I do not know the road.
Road, not in the jungle. KD, walk on the KD.
Okay, I will walk on the KD. But which? What's your name?
Lakshmi, my name.
Lakshmi. On which KD? Here are 3 ways.
Go from that. By that Bhutio word.
Taking notes.
Okay, that Bhutio banyan tree and then?
After crossing Vokdo, you see a Rupalo Dungar.
Checking dictionary.
Voklo means? What is Voklo?
Water, water, running. Then you see a Dungar, hill.
Yeah, what next?
Climb up that hill. There, Katal Manu Thapan.
Thapan.
Yes, Thapan, temple. Climb down from there. Go to Ugamne.
Ugamne?
Ugamne? Sun comes in the sky. Sun.
You mean to the east?
Yes, east. There, see? Dodio Tadav. Ask for I Manu Nes.
Talav means pond. What is this Aimano Nes?
We live in Cuba. Many Cubas there. So, it is Nes.
You live in the jungle. Aren't you afraid of the lions?
Savage. Savage or Devta. We love Savage and Savage loves us. We live together. Sometimes we fighting, but it is okay.
Can you take me to your home?
हाँ, चेम नहीं. हाइल ने? Oh, welcome. Let's go. My Ma-Bapa will be happy.
Faizan went to her home. He talked with the people of Nas. Next day, Lakshmi's father helped him to catch a bus for Junagadh. Faizan thanked him and started his return journey.
Hey Seema, what are you doing?
એકચ્યુઅલી ગયા તાસમાં જે એક્ટિવિટી વર્ચ્યુઅલ ક્લાસમાં ટેલિકાસ્ટ થઈ એ હું ડાઉનલોડ કરીને જોતી હતી.
અરે તેમાં લક્ષ્મી અને ફ્રેઝનનો વાર્તાલાપ તને કેવો લાગ્યો?
ખરેખર બહુ સરસ છે. મને નાનકડી છોકરી જે રીતે અંગ્રેજી બોલતી હતી અને થોડું અંગ્રેજી આવડતું હતું પણ છતાંય પોતાની વાત ફૈઝનને સમજાવી શકી એ મને બહુ જ ગમ્યું. તે જોયું એ અંગ્રેજી બોલવામાં કેટલી ભૂલો કરતી હતી.
હા સીમા, લક્ષ્મીના બોલેલા વાક્યોને ફરીથી અંગ્રેજીમાં સુધારીને લખવાના છે. That is the part B of activity 6.
Oh, is it so? Show me.
Sure. Children, open your textbook, page number 9, activity 6B. લક્ષ્મીના બોલેલા વાક્યોને ઉદાહરણ મુજબ ફરી લખો.
Yes, Verchesa, it is very nice activity.
Yes, Seema, and interesting also. Let's discuss and solve it.
Sure, but before that, let's see the example.
Sure, why not?
Lakshmi said, "Why come to the jungle?" આ લક્ષ્મી બોલી હતી. નાઉ વોટ વિલ બી ધ કરેક્ટ સેન્ટેન્સ? વાય ડીડ યુ કમ ટુ ધ જંગલ?
Okay. Seema, what is the first one?
It is Lakshmi said, road not in the jungle. So, what will be the correct sentence? It will be, there is no road in the jungle.
Hey, wait, Seema, wait. I want to note down in my book.
Sure, you write down. Yes, children. વર્ચેસાની સાથે સાથે તમારે પણ તમારી નોટબુકમાં આ સેન્ટેન્સ લખવાનું છે. પ્લીઝ નોટ ડાઉન ધ સેન્ટેન્સ ઇન યોર નોટબુક.
Seema, I have completed my sentence. What is the next one?
Okay, the next sentence is Lakshmi said, go to Ugamne. Ugamne means?
Seema, I think it's about east direction.
Okay, east means where sun rises. Right?
Right, Seema.
So, the right sentence will be go to east.
Okay, let me note down in my book.
Sure. તમે બધા પણ આ સેન્ટેન્સ તમારી નોટબુકમાં લખી લો.
Friends, let's note down the correct sentence. And the correct sentence is go to east. What is the next one, Seema?
Vachesa, the next sentence is Lakshmi said, many kubas tar. Children, it is very simple sentence. So, the sentence will be, there are many kubas. Right?
Okay. I want to note down this one also.
Okay, please write down. Children, તમે પણ સાથે સાથે લખતા જજો. Have you completed?
Yes, Seema.
Shall we move to next sentence?
Yes.
Okay. The next one is Lakshmi said, walk on the Kedi. Kedi means?
So simple. KD means path.
Oh, is it so? So children, this is very easy sentence. Can you make it at your own? Yes, please try. Right. The correct sentence will be walk on the path. Right?
Friends, note down the correct sentence in our book. Walk on the path.
Varchasa, listen it carefully. I am going to read the next sentence. In this sentence, Lakshmi told her name to Faizan. And the sentence says, Lakshmi, my name. You see, here Lakshmi call herself Lakshmi. So, what will be the correct sentence?
Seema, the correct sentence is my name is Lakshmi.
Children, write down this sentence in your book. Varchasa, you read the next sentence.
Okay, Seema. The next sentence is after crossing Voklo, you see Rupalo Dungar. Seema, I think it's about hill and stream.
Oh, is it so? So the correct sentence will be after crossing the stream, you will see Rupalo Dungar, means hill. Right?
Right, Seema. Let me note down.
Okay. Children, you also note down in your textbook.
Seema, the next sentence is Ugamne. Sun comes in the sky.
Varchasa, have you remembered? We talk about the word Ugamne in second sentence. Ugamne means east. Children, તમને પણ યાદ હશે કે ઉગમણે એટલે ઈસ્ટ. ચલો, આ વાક્ય તમે જાતે કરેક્ટ કરીને ફરીથી લખો. The correct sentence is The sun rises in the east. રાઈટ? ચલો બધા ચેક કરી લો અને જો ખોટું હોય તો સુધારીને ફરી લખી લો.
સીમા, ત્યાર પછીના વાક્યમાં સાવજ એટલે કે લાયનની વાત કરવામાં આવી છે. એન્ડ ધ સેન્ટેન્સ ઇઝ વી લવ સાવજ એન્ડ સાવજ લવ્સ અસ.
રાઈટ, ઇટ્સ અબાઉટ ધ લાયન. લક્ષ્મી ફેઝનને કહે છે કે ઇન ગીર પીપલ લવ સાવજ and Savage loves them and they consider lion as their god.
Right, Seema. So I think this sentence is written as we love lion and lion loves us. Seema, the last sentence is my Mabap will be happy.
Oh, Vachesa, it is very, very easy sentence. ખરું ને બાળકો? કેટલું easy sentence છે? Tell me. What is Mabap called in English? Yes, children, you all know. Right, Mabap means parents. હવે parents મૂકીને ફરીથી વાક્ય બનાવી જુઓ તો. The sentence will be my parents will be happy.
Seema, here we completed part B of activity 6.
So, Vachesa, what's about next?
Seema, it's about question answer. Friends, let's do activity C. See on page number 9, activity 6, part C. The first question is, where is Frazen from? And the answer is, Frazen is from Tamil Nadu. Now, the next question is, can Lakshmi talk in English? And the answer is, no, Lakshmi cannot talk in English. Now, the third question is, did Frazen speak Gujarati? And the answer is, no, Frazen did not speak Gujarati. બાળકો, આપણે કન્વર્ઝેશનમાં જોયું હતું લક્ષ્મી કેન નોટ સ્પીક ઇંગ્લિશ વાઇલ ફ્રેઝન કેન નોટ સ્પીક ગુજરાતી. લેટ્સ મૂવ ટુ ધી નેક્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન. ધ નેક્સ્ટ ક્વેશ્ચન ઇઝ, વોટ વોઝ ધ નેમ ઓફ ધી પોન્ડ? સો ધ આન્સર ઇઝ, ધ નેમ ઓફ ધી પોન્ડ વોઝ દોઢિયું તળાવ. લેટ્સ મૂવ ટુ ધી નેક્સ્ટ વન. The next question is, did Frazen visit Lakshmi's home? And the answer is, yes, Frazen visited Lakshmi's home. And the last question is, where did Frazen go from Gir? And the answer is, Frazen went to Junagadh from Gir. Frazen went to Junagadh from Gir. Students, in part B of activity 6, we have correct the sentences. And in part C, we have answered the questions.
Let's see activity 7A. I read it. You listen carefully. Friends, take your textbook and open page number 10. Look at the activity 7A. A. Read these instructions. First, don't use plastic in the jungle. Second, don't throw rubbish here and there. Third, don't walk in the jungle. Fourth, don't tease the animals. Fifth, protect the jungle. Sixth, don't give any food to them. Seventh, this park is our national property. Eighth,
trees are our best friends. Ninth, animals are also our friends. Friends, now we discuss all the sentences one by one. First one, don't use plastic in the jungle because plastic is harmful for land and for nature. ઘણા બધા વર્ષો સુધી પ્લાસ્ટિક જમીનમાં ઓગળતું નથી. That's why we should not throw plastic in the jungle. It is prohibited. Second one, don't throw rubbish here and there. Friends, તમે જાણો છો કે ટુરિસ્ટ આવા પાર્કની અવારનવાર મુલાકાત લેતા હોય છે અને દરરોજ આવતા હોય છે. Yes, for example, per day 30 ટુરિસ્ટ આવે છે. તો એનું કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરીએ તો 6 ડેઝના 180 ટુરિસ્ટ થાય. આ બધા ટુરિસ્ટ ગમે ત્યાં કચરો ફેંકે તો આવા પાર્ક બહુ જ ગંદા થઈ જાય. તો આપણે શું કરવું જોઈએ? So, we should not throw rubbish here and there. Third, don't walk in the jungle. Yes, there are so many wild animals. આ આપણી પર ક્યારેક એટેક કરી લે એટલા માટે જંગલમાં we should not walk in the jungle. Fourth, don't tease the animals. Friends, do you like if anybody tease you? You replied, no. Like that, animals also don't like. If we tease them, they attack on us. That's why we should not tease them. Fifth, protect the jungle. Jungle gives us rain. It gives us fresh air. Then it also gives us wood. Jungle is the home of birds and animals. That's why we should protect the jungle. Sixth, don't give any food to them. One cannot predict how animal will behave once you feed them. Also, it changes their eating habits. Seventh, this park is our national property. Friends, as I said before, jungles are our natural and national property. It is also our wealth. So, we should conserve the jungle and we should protect them. Eighth, trees are our best friends. Friends, tell me, do you like to see plants, trees, flower, greenery? Yes, I know you like greenery very much. Friends, now tell me, are you doing any activity regarding Eco Club? Yes, you join in the Eco Club activity. This activity is also useful to save environment. And with the help of this activity, we grow more and more trees. And trees always help us. Ninth, animals are also our friends. Like trees, animals are also our best friends. Friends, you think how they are useful? Yes, I tell you. Cow and buffaloes give us milk and fertilizers. Dog is faithful animal. Camel, bullock and horse carry the cart. Sheep gives us wool. મિત્રો, તમે જ્યારે આવી નેશનલ પાર્ક જેવી જગ્યાએ જાઓ ત્યારે શું ન કરવું જોઈએ એ બાબતનો તમને ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો છે. સો વી શુડ પ્રોટેક્ટ અવર નેચરલ એન્ડ નેશનલ વેલ્થ. Let's go to activity 7b. 3 friends visit Sasan. You will decide their behavior is good or bad. Now you look in your textbook. મિત્રો, આ એક્ટિવિટીમાં 2 કોલમ આપેલા છે. એકમાં સેન્ટેન્સીસ છે અને બીજા કોલમમાં એમના બિહેવિયર માટે ગુડ ઓર બેડ લખવાનું છે. They shouted when they saw a lion family first time. This behavior is good or bad? Yes, we should not shout. You should write, this is bad behavior. Next, they ate popcorn and gave it to the deer too. Friends, as we know, we should not give them food. So, this behavior is bad. Fine. Now, third one. Jaya stopped Jarina throwing plastic bag in the jungle. This is good or bad behavior? Very fine. This is good behavior because we should not throw plastic in the jungle. Fourth one. Julie and Jaya threw rubbish here and there in the jungle. Friends, now tell me, this behavior is good or bad? Yes, this behavior is bad because we should not throw rubbish here and there. Julie pulled the branches of the tree. This behavior is good or bad? Very good. Trees are our best friends. You all know. So we don't pull the branches of the tree. So this is bad behavior. મિત્રો, તમે જ્યારે આવી નેશનલ પાર્ક જેવી જગ્યાએ જાઓ ત્યારે શું ન કરવું જોઈએ એ બાબતનો તમને ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો છે. સો વી શુડ પ્રોટેક્ટ અવર નેચરલ એન્ડ નેશનલ વેલ્થ. વી વિલ મીટ ઇન નેક્સ્ટ ક્લાસ. બાય.
Today's question: what do you mean by savage? Option A, deer. Option B, jungle. C, lion. Option D, tiger. Choose your correct answer and send it to this toll-free number 6357399470.